Yo, check it out. Yo, it's your boy Von Keith. Let's start it over.
Stay in hustle mode. Got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Von Keith, the artist, back at it again. Man, we got a big chop today, okay? On my Barber Bro, aka just my bro, period. Been knowing this man for, what, 12 years now? And ironically, we both cut here. Shout out to my boy Tevin, aka Tevin the Don, man. He is killing it in the game, bro. Make sure y'all go, I'm gonna put his information on there too. If y'all wanna check him out. If y'all in the Atlanta area, if I can't get to you or if he can't get to you, shit, one of us gonna get to you. You know what I'm saying? We both be busy or whatever. But, I came in on an off day, came in a little extra early for him. So we just gonna go ahead and chop the locks off. He said he got tired of kind of bending at the top, like it can be hard sometimes, or sometimes your hair just fall out. So we're gonna go ahead and start it all over. So we're gonna go ahead and pick this thing out. Now when I'm chopping the locks off, I always start not always all the way to the root, just kind of a little bit above the root, just to make sure I have enough room, enough hair, just to go ahead and cut the hair down if it needs to, or if you wanted to rock the nappy fro for a little bit. If you wasn't used to just having a low cut, then I would just shake his hair up like that. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and knock the top down with a number 2 wall guard. Okay, I am using gold guards, however, but if you want the link to it, just let me know in the comment section. I would post it in my description or whatnot. Now we're just going up with the 1.5 guard. Why am I going to 1.5 guard? Because I want to debulk all that extra hair, because you don't want to be fighting against any hair. Okay, so when you're doing your fade guidelines, you want to make sure you're not doing too much work. Okay. So don't create too much work on your fade guidelines, man. Just debulk that hair down whenever you can, all right? This detachable blade right here, this is a dangerous blade. This is the 18 skip 2 detachable blade, okay? It's 3mm. Now, this is really good for cutting the hair down, debulking the hair, and also even setting the guideline if you need to, just depending on what type of fade you're doing. So today we're doing a low drop ball fade, however. So you see I already went in with my 1.5. My 1.5 is a 4.5mm, okay? So this is a 3mm. I'm just debulking a little bit more, so when I do start my guidelines, it'll be a lot easier. Now I'm gonna go up just a little bit with my texturizing blade. My texturizing blade, that's more of like a 3.2, okay? But it still cuts the hair down just a little differently. Like the texturizing blade and the skip 218 blade, they work like yin and yang, all right? So now I'm starting my first guideline off with my one blade, okay? This is the 1 detachable blade, not the 1A, just the 1, all right? Now I'm showing my 000 detachable blade. It's ceramic. It cuts like butter. It's real smooth, real quiet. So we're skimming through it just so I can show you, I'm not really showing you the details of the fade. I'm just showing you how I get through my fade, okay? So I'm hitting that bottom line of the blend. I'm just taking the bottom line out. Now I'm hitting it with the 40 detachable blade, okay? That 40 detachable blade, that's taking the line completely out. Now we're going back up with that 1A detachable blade. The 1A detachable blade, this is what's going to start softening that middle guideline out, okay? Because we already knocked out the bottom low blend guideline, all right? Now, if I'm going a little fast, just go ahead and, rewind the video a couple seconds. When you're learning something, don't be afraid to rewind, okay? When I'm learning something, I have to watch a video maybe about 2 or 3 times in order for me to grasp every little aspect or every little detail of what I'm trying to learn. And we're on to our next detachable blade. It's that 1.5, 4mm detachable blade, okay? This blade works wonders as well. If you get a whole set of detachable blades, then your haircuts are going to stand out a lot more, and it's going to look a lot different. Your fades are going to come on a lot cleaner. And in this video, this is what I'm trying to show you, okay? The difference in between just using clippers and using detachable blades. Now I went ahead and moved along to my 0A detachable blade, just softening up the line even more. So each blade, as I'm going up, I'm just softening up the line. Now I'm going in with my trimmers. I'm taking my rhino comb, my Murano, and I'm just knocking down. I'm debulking the hairline. Now what you saw, that product is that tap and go hairline spray. I did spray some on my boy. Now I'm letting it air dry, and while I'm letting it air dry, I'm just going in with my clippers, my Andes Gold Masters, and I'm just softening up the line even more. Now this has, when you have the lever, you have a better advantage to, hit certain dark spots, hit certain light spots if you need to, and just really just critiquing, finesse your fade how you really want it, okay? Now right there, what I just did is called a raking technique. Raking technique is basically debulking any dark areas, but also still keeping your fade dark. So it's just knocking out any hair that don't need to be there, you know? So I'm always fading up and I'm always fading down, okay? Now let's get into the very most important part, the hairline. So I pointed at his hairline because I'm mapping out everything. I'm trying to make sure I'm not going into the light spot, okay? Because his hair was sticking up for the longest. So when your hair is sticking up, you have to make sure you still keep enough room for the hair to go back down, okay? Because his hair is going to be laying down. He's going to wear a do-rag, so that little light spot is going to fill in eventually. It may take about 2 weeks, it may take a month, who knows? But you see, I am recording this way. I did a whole Instagram video on that. I'm always doing overtime. I'm always working overtime. However, this is how the hairline looks on his head. I did contour it really nice. Now I'm using that top tier icy blue foam wrap, okay? This is what lays the hair down. I did wash his hair as well. I didn't get a chance to get that on camera, however, but it's okay. Moving along. So this Barber Magic pencil, this is what I use in order to make sure all my hairlines are straight, okay? Because I am my biggest critic. I have to critique myself. I'm not in the barbershop. I can't ask anybody, hey, that hairline is straight. So yeah, that Barber pencil, it works wonders for me. It is magical, but I don't overuse it, all right? Now, the spray I'm using, the spray dye, is called Kiss Tintination. Kiss Tintination, it comes out black, but it also comes out pretty dry. It doesn't look like any wet paint, you know, like, no disrespect to how they use, but I can't use it anymore, you know, like, people's eyes have grown accustomed to looking for more defined and more crispy and more, you know, just natural looking lines. And it's okay to use dye, but you don't overuse it, alright? So now I'm just razoring out this pencil line. I always raise out the pencil line because you want it to just look like a contrast effect. You don't want it to just be there, you know, because that'll make your client look like a fool, especially when he's walking out day to day and people are looking at him. They probably laughing at him in their head as well. So you don't want any of that, man. Just make sure that hairline and that haircut pops even more just by contrasting that hairline. Alright, now this is the haircut. My boy, he checking it out. He makes sure everything good. Yeah, sorry, my son had to make a little cameo in the video. But this is the low ball drop fade, man. I hope y'all like it, bro. My boy looking like AKA Chris Rock, AKA Big Sean, AKA Lil Duval. You feel me? You feel good? You feel refreshed? Now I'm just messing with him a little bit. But I hope y'all like it, bro. Please comment, please like, please subscribe, please share.
They hustle mode, got some brand new clothes. Hit them with a pose. Check what I just drove. My car don't touch the road.